Hi everyone, my name is Christina and today I'm going to show you how to use Verifi3D's integration with Microsoft SharePoint and populate your results using Verifi3D's Power BI template. Now let's log into Verifi3D. You can log in either by using your verified credentials or by using our single sign option. You will now see the landing page of Verifi3D. Now let's go to Projects. You will see a list of all the available projects from different sources. Projects can be imported into Verified in two different ways, locally or from a common data environment, such as Microsoft SharePoint. These projects contain files in different file formats, such as IFC, Revit, or DWG. To start your workflow, select Microsoft SharePoint as your CDE and select your preferred project to add into Verified. Once you select a project, the model browser, the model set builder, and the saved model sets panels will open automatically. Click the Add to Builder button to load the project. Please make sure that the load toggle is turned on. Once the model is loaded, you will see it visualized in the 3D viewer. Now, let's run a property check to validate our model and populate the results into Power BI. Go to Rules and click the Run icon to run the check. In the data viewer, the elements that did pass the check will be colored green, while the ones who didn't will be colored in red. Let's start by downloading a Power BI template from the Verified Exchange portal. Go to templates.verifi.com. You will see a list of all the available templates for different standards and regulations such as IDS, COBie, and NLSPB, among others. Download your chosen template, which will be a zip file. Extract it to see all of its contents. You will see a list of predefined data views, rules, and filters. You will also see a PDF guide to help you through the steps. In order to get a better visual representation in Power BI, we can add additional information from the data viewer. To do that, click this button. A dialog will appear where you can add and remove columns of information. Now that we have our columns set up, export the results into an Excel file. Make sure to rename it according to the Power BI template. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with a class check. Once that's done, open the Power BI template, named Example Projects Rules Template. You will find it in the zipped file that we downloaded from the Verified Exchange portal. You will see a blank template. That's because we have not yet mapped the data sources into Power BI. In this template, we have 3 data sources in total. One is the info worksheet that is included in the zipped file from the template portal. The other 2 are the property check and the class check we have from Verifi3D. Make sure to map the data sources correctly. Then close the window and click Apply Changes. The data will appear in Power BI. And that's it. Now you know how to use Power BI in combination with SharePoint and Verifi3D. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or would like a personal demo. Clash and validate building designs with Verifi3D.